Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host, Pinky. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on social media. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to be showing y'all this eye makeup look as well as two hairstyles that I created using Marley hair. So let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by priming my eyes with a good concealer. And here I am blending it out. And next I'm going to be using the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to be using this teal color. And I'm going to be using it with a fluffy brush to begin with, almost as if it's the transition color. But I'm just going to apply this light little fluffy layer. And then I'm going to take a more condensed brush and like pat it into the crease, because I want the color to be potent and vibrant. Next, I'm gonna very lightly dip my brush into the yellow and blend and fluff out the edges, because you never want harsh edges on your eye look. Next, I'm gonna take that same concealer and I'm going to carve out the cut crease of my eye. Next, I'm going to take the shimmer teal color from that same palette and pack that in on the inner corner of the cut crease. And honestly, y'all, I think the light is washing out these colors because they were a lot more bold in person. Just letting y'all know. Next, I'm going to take the lime shimmer color and I'm going to apply that on the middle of the cut crease, making sure to blend in with the color I've already applied, as you can see here. Next, using the Jaclyn Hill palette from Morphe, I'm going to take this dark blue shimmer color and pack that into the outer corner, as well as blend into the crease. When you're doing a look like this, you want to make sure not only do you pack in and make the color look as bold as possible, but you also want to blend it in with the surrounding areas. Next, I'm going to take some of that same dark blue eyeshadow and a thin brush and just lightly define the cut crease, because I do want the eye look to look like a cut crease. So I'm giving it a little bit of definition here. Next, I'm going to take a black liquid liner and line the very lash line, as close to the lash line as possible, because when I apply the lashes, I want them to look popping, basically. And so I applied these lashes that I got from a beauty supply store real quick off camera. After that, I took the same blue eyeshadow with a little bit of the teal and applied it to my bottom lash line. Once I did that, I took an e.l.f. highlighter and used a Q-tip to apply it to the inner corner of my eye. When you use a Q-tip, it just makes the inner corner pop that much more. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies Push-Up Angel mascara to coat my real lashes to blend in with the false lashes. But where I really messed up is I usually take a makeup wipe and clean off my lashes after I apply all of my eyeshadow. And because I didn't do that, the mascara couldn't cover the lashes as well as I wanted them to. So this look could have been so much more popping if I didn't forget that step. So yeah. Plus, this light is really just pointing out every imperfection. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to apply a brown lip liner. This is the color Cold Brew from NYX Cosmetics. Next, I'm going to apply this matte lippy from Carity in the color Diana. Finally, I'm going to apply this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. And this is the finished look all together. I feel like it came out really cute. So now I'm going to move on to my hair, which has already been slicked down and the top excess hair has been braided down into a bun. I'm going to take this equal Cuban twist Marley braiding hair, and it's in the color T27 613. And this is actually 2 packs of hair in one, and I took a ponytail holder and attached it to basically the end of the hair. I just left, you know, about that much hair out, and then I took the ponytail holder and attached it to my bun and flipped the hair back. Now I'm going to take that excess hair and I'm just going to pin it down so that it stays in place. Now I'm going to take a few pieces of the hair and wrap it around the base of the ponytail so it can have like a definite ponytail look, and cover up any of the excess hairs that may stick out. Once I wrap it around enough times, I'm going to pin that piece in place. So once I've done that, I'm just, you know, poking around, adjusting the ponytail, but it's basically done. This is basically what it's going to look like. I didn't get too much footage of me, you know, really modeling it because I decided I wanted to try a different style as well. If you see my last video, I did 2 ponytails this same way, but I wanted to try it with one big ponytail that kind of reminded me of Jasmine from Aladdin. So I just took some ponytail holders and just wrapped them around the hair, one to make a big ball in the top, and, you know, just space them out to make, you know, some pretty big balls all the way down to the end. And when I got to the very end, I took some bobby pins and tried to make the ends look as neat as possible, but they still looked a little raggedy to me, but I didn't really care too much because, you know, I just wanted the little ponytail. And this is the finished look. The eye look came out really cute, as well as the ponytail. So y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Do you like it? Do you not? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.